Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of a solution journal. Today we will learn how to delete a message on TikTok. And this is an easy process to do. The first step is go to the application of TikTok here. And here in your feed, you need to go to the option of your inbox. So here you need to go to the option of your profile here. And if someone sent you a message, the only thing you need to do is pick in the message, for example, and pick in delete. But remember, when you delete a message of another person, you only delete your copy. So it's just delete that message is just for you. The other person got the message, got the video like sent to you. But if you want to delete the message for everybody, the message can be yours. So you pick here and delete, you pick in delete, and you can delete for me or delete for everyone. So most of the times, for you to delete a message for everyone, need to be a message like a type message, not a video. So this is the explication. This is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.